So today we made barbecue platter. We're supposed to go to the barbecue platter restaurant, but I changed my mind. I decided to go buy the ingredients, the food, and make it myself. Yes, that's it. I don't think it will be. I don't think it will taste the same as what they sell, as what they cook in the restaurant, but I don't mind. It looks good anyway. So what we have here is salmon, fresh salmon, and that is fresh salmon, barbecue salmon, and we have oven chips, baked chips here, and stir fry, onion, and bell pepper, fresh tomato, olive, and some sauce there, cucumber, and some mint sauce. Yes, that's it. Looking good in it. Look at that fresh salmon.